Hi everyone and welcome to today's lesson where we're going to revisit the grooves that we did in the previous lesson, but this time instead of playing quarter notes in the left foot, we're going to play eighth notes. So we're going to revisit the snare drum 16th note grooves, bass drum 16th note grooves, then a combination groove before playing it along to a backing track. So first up, again, let's revisit those snare drum 16th note grooves that we did in beginner lessons 6-1 and 6-2, but this time, eighth notes in the left foot. Again, we'll do the same idea this time with bass drum 16th notes, just like lesson 7.2 in the beginner module, but this time adding that same left foot pattern on the hi-hat.